YouTube. We are here for Build It RT's challenge, Urban Abandonment. As you can see, there's an old hospital. It is now abandoned, right by the beautiful lake. And we'll just do a walkthrough of my car. See what's in here. Cell phone, burn box, and a battery for this GoPro. Let's pop the hood. Beautiful in the inside. Just got done washing her up. Thought I'd make it look good. This is a little bit better lighting than the last video, so you can see everything that's in there. And even the building next to it looks kind of old. It had recently had a fire, burned down. Alrighty. That's the video. Nice, short, and simple. Abandoned hospital, beautiful car, beautiful lake. Like these videos, like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned with Ethanol Hound. Thank you very much.